Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with DropCommerce North American Suppliers. My experience review. DropCommerce North American Suppliers connects online businesses with vetted suppliers located in North America, enabling them to dropship products directly to their customers. This is primarily targeted at e-commerce entrepreneurs looking to source products closer to their customer base, reducing shipping times and potentially offering higher quality goods. Key features include a curated supplier directory, product import tools, and automated order fulfillment. Their website provides details on the various subscription plans available, each offering a different number of supplier connections and product imports. DropCommerce emphasizes the simplicity and transparency of their pricing with no hidden fees. They promote faster shipping compared to sourcing from overseas and highlight the potential for building stronger relationships with North American suppliers. The platform appears to use a modern API integration system to connect with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify. Availability seems widespread across North America, and you can check their website for specifics. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using DropCommerce North American Suppliers. Getting started was remarkably easy. After signing up for a trial account, I connected it to my Shopify store in just a few clicks. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it simple to browse the supplier directory and filter by product category, location, and other criteria. I was able to easily import a selection of handmade candles and organic soaps from a supplier in California directly into my store. The product import process was smooth, and I appreciated the ability to customize product descriptions and pricing before publishing them to my store. I placed a few test orders to assess the fulfillment process, and I was pleasantly surprised by the quick turnaround time. All orders were shipped within 2 to 3 business days, and the tracking information was automatically updated in my Shopify dashboard. I even had a quick question about integrating with a specific shipping provider, and their support responded within a day via email with a helpful and detailed answer. I was really impressed by how streamlined the entire process felt, from sourcing products to fulfilling orders. The standout feature for me was definitely the curated supplier directory. It saved me a significant amount of time and effort compared to manually searching for reliable suppliers. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would be convenient for managing orders on the go. It also took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for customizing product pricing rules. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with DropCommerce and would recommend it to any e-commerce business owner looking for a reliable and convenient way to dropship products from North American suppliers. That's my overview of DropCommerce North American Suppliers. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.